So why replace one of these old incandescent light bulbs from the car with one of these LED light bulbs for your car as well? Alright, so first I am going to remove the light here, and let's see here. I am going to use my key here just to simply remove it. You just simply pop these plastic piece off, like so. And this is the old bulb here. Oh man, the caps fell off. Check this out. It's so old, the caps fell off. So the other one already dropped somewhere. That's the old bulb with one end of the cap fell off. So it's been probably 20 years in this car, so it's been pretty old. Now, next thing I want to do is actually replace it with something like this. Without polarity concerns, these will fit any standard 3175 sockets. This is an LED bulb. There's 4 of them. And this one is actually, there's 2 types of this. So let me open it up. So there's the bright white light, and also this is a warm light LED. So this is the LED bulb. You can see just LED all the way through. So I should be able to just put it right in with the LED pad facing down, and it should just work. Okay. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. That's pretty cool. It works now. Okay, so let me do the second one too. Be careful, don't break this little latch here. And I will with this LED. Oh, let me take the old one out. Oh crap. Okay, so the cap on these fell off too. Replace this with this. Let's do this. Let's try it out. Oh, both of them works. All right. Now the only thing I need to do is put the top back on. This diffuser on, like so. Okay, where's the other one? Other one's here. All right, you can turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. Whoops. Turn it off, turn it on. Okay. That's it. So why replace one of these old incandescent light bulbs from the car with one of these LED light bulbs for your car as well, and it's still there, got that warm color. So we'll check it out at night. Also, one more thing is that I actually bought different colors of these. This one with a little heatsink in the back. This one is actually bright white, and this is the warm one that I just replaced in. You saw me replaced. The warm is much better. This one is so bright, it made my inside of my car just feel very uncomfortably white. See how ridiculously bright this is? Oh my gosh! So I recommend this. Now I will put a link below to both of these. I got these on Amazon, it's pretty cheap. And there are sets of 4, and you can replace all of your car's little internal light with this. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!